Hey guys, we have another great product to review. It's a LED strip light.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna make our room look good. Go ahead and unbox that, Jenda.
If I can unbox. Ooh. It's here. It comes into 2 packs.
2 packs. They connect together, and I believe we have a total of 32 feet, which is a lot. What else do you have there in the pack?
It's charger.
Let's see, a
Adapter.
power cord, power converter, alright,
And a controller.
a remote controller. That's nice looking. So your LED light strip comes on these rolls. I believe this roll is 16 feet long. And these can be cut. If you needed to cut your light strip, there's a place marked about every 6 inches. You see a little scissor mark right there, and you can cut the light strip right there. And this end right here fits into your RGB control box right here. This is where also the infrared connection from your remote will pick up on that, and it will also control music. The lights will like dance to music you're playing through this little microphone right here. Now at the end of the reel, if you want to go further than 16 feet and you had another reel to connect, you have these little connectors right here, and you can plug that in and add another reel. On the back of the LED strip is an adhesive back made by 3M. This is very sticky, apply on a smooth surface like a wall or ceiling, and it should stay in place. Now on your RGB controller, you have your power button up here. You have brightness settings, and you can personalize the color of the lights by pressing these buttons. And then you have a timer down here, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and 120 minutes. You have different playback speeds, jump, transition, slow, quick, different flash modes, and there's 4 different settings for music. So we will go ahead and try some of these here in a minute. You got your volume button up and down. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I've got my lights temporarily installed in my living room / studio. And we're going to try and go through some of the different settings. First of all, we got it like set to like a bluish purple. We're going to go ahead and change it to red. And from red, we're going to go to green. A couple of different shades of green. It's kind of a teal color. And we're going to go try yellow. And then orange. And you can increase the brightness. Alright, now let's go through some of the different settings. This is called jump, and that's what jump does. It will jump through the different colors, which could probably be good for a party but annoying for watching TV. Here's a different jump setting. fade. Now we have it on fade, and it will fade through the different colors. This is a different fade setting. This is flash setting. And then I guess you can control the speed. Slow flash. Quick flash. Auto button. I have a feeling for most of the time we're going to be using the fade setting. Now it has a setting for music with 4 different buttons. Alright, we have some music playing near the speaker box. That's one of the settings. I'm going to try a different. What you do, run out of music?
Don't add.
So the lights are flashing to the beat of the music. Let me go to a different music setting. And another one. It's going through it really slow. I had the wrong one. Oh, so there you have it. The LED strip is dancing to the music. So this is a great, inexpensive way to enhance the decor of your living room, your bedroom. These LED strips are very cool. We'll put a link in the description below. Thank you for watching.